Oh, look at the freaking leaves. Ivan. Hi. Leave it alone. All right. Wow, that's noisy. Yeah, looks like I guess they'll work. Just don't want to wreck our bumper. All right. Here, you gotta be with me. Come on. No, you gotta get in here. No, you gotta get in with me. I don't want anything to happen. Come on.
Are you serious?
I am serious.
Your eyes serious?
Come on. Yeah, I guess I can roll a little bit farther. Stay in the car. Get in the car.
I can't. It looks good. Sorry. I want to see map. What's this thing?
Stop. Yeah, that's better. Come on. Oh, the frig. Come on, out of the car. Oh, good job, you got him.
Good job. I can read this.
All right, even though the parking brake is on, we're gonna chalk the tires. With some excellent chalk blocks. There. I will most likely forget these down here. All right, we are about ready to. All right, so we're gonna do the oil change on this 2019 Audi Q5 2.0. See, I got a lot of stuff already set up. ECS tuning is where I got this oil. I actually have a whole kit. Comes with the sticker, drain plug, filter, all the oil you need. I'm just going to use this 5W40. I don't know, there's probably lots of different stuff you guys can use. So, I got one of these guys. Super fancy. Oh, great. Hold on. Forgot about the pan. Let's go get some tools. What do we got? Looks like Phillips. You got your headphones? let's take a look. So, with the pan off, what am I looking for here? Is that it right there? Oh my gosh. Plastic oil pan. Insane. Alright. So, you get this off. I mean, Audis, they always have this nut. You can try, I wouldn't ever use those filter puller strap things on these. You just wrap them. I didn't have the right size socket. This is a 33. See, it's a little bit of play, but if you're gentle, they get going. So, no big deal there. Inside these boxes, typically they have the filter and a seal. Yeah. So there's the seal. That'll go around your canister. So, yeah, my son's on watch for the oil. It's done? Okay, thank you. Yep. No, it's good. I'm working up here. I'm letting it drain down. So thank you for letting me know. He gets awfully excited. The brand is Henst, I think. I actually use this brand a lot. Sorry to say I don't know how to pronounce it, but anyway. I always have some paper towels hanging about when I do oil changes because you always tend to spill something somewhere. What's up, buddy? So this car, we bought it in Connecticut, and then we drove it from Connecticut to South Carolina, Pensacola, Florida, back to South Carolina, back to Pensacola, and then back to South Carolina again, and then all the way up back to here, upstate New York. So I didn't change the oil right when I got the car. It's from a dealer, so it should be okay, but anyway, needless to say, it's due for an oil change. So that's in there, and that's where your cartridge goes. So before putting everything back in, it's always a good idea to put a little oil on your seals to help that not bind or anything. So I'm going to crack into my oil here and oil up my seal before I put it on. Looking at the filters, I don't know what was in there. I might pull that back out to see what was in there. But the one I bought doesn't have these metal ridges on the inside, right here. So I don't know if that's a OEM Audi deal thing or what, but okay, thank you. You're gonna have to give it a minute, buddy. Hold on. So anyway, just oil up your seals. Which is pretty easy. Let's see. And it's actually got a torque spec on there, which is nice. Not gonna lie. Hardly ever do that. Which is my bad. But alright. So looks like torque it down to spec and the filter's changed. I just gotta put the plug back in underneath. A little bit of oil still coming out. So I'll let that continue to drain for a bit. Okay. Here's my new drain plug. I'm sure there's some sort of Audi special tool to put that back on, but flathead seems to work just fine. Insanity. I'm gonna clean this one up, make sure that I have that in there right, because that was the most gentle way of putting that in there, which is bizarre. Yeah, I'm putting the plug back in. Just want to make sure that it's in properly. Oop. So, maybe a screwdriver isn't the best way to do this, but it looks like they just literally, they go in and then it just sits in a lock, which is on that thing. And I tried to overdo it and just broke off one of those little inner tabs, which it doesn't matter. I can pull it out if I need to next time I change the oil. But very strange, very weird. It's in there super light, like you can see. I can move with my fingers. That freaks me out. But I'm gonna put some oil in, see if it leaks. So yeah, actually one of the easier oil changes I've ever done. All I gotta do now is put all the covers back on. Fire it up. Something I forgot to mention, and I'm pretty sure this one is the same. Audi's got away from the dipstick. I think this is actually, could be it, but it looks more like a plug and it's got a really chintzy clip on it, so I'm not gonna break it, find out. But anyway, these engines, they take, this particular one, I just Googled it, it just said 5.5 quarts, so that's what it's got. And probably not exact, but damn close. Hit the menu button, where I'm at now. Let's scroll it up to vehicle. You see I'm already there, but before you get there, when you go to vehicle, it's going to go to here, which is like wherever I go, and then you just hit over. That'll bring you to that. Services and checks, and I originally went to oil level, which is wrong. I should go to service intervals. And this one was actually done not too long ago, but like I said, I put all those miles on, so. And then reset. And there you go. Huh? Oil's all done. All I have to do is take her off the stands and tuck this away in the back somewhere where it won't leak. So, there you go. Look out. I'm setting this here. Go around it, please. Want to keep an eye on him, Eli? Well, just so I don't... Drive it off the ramps. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm going to back it off the ramps. I think it's because of that. I don't know. It's all sorts of stuff. Oh.
Hold on, Bobus. It's like something's fighting. I can see it.
Yeah, the stops. I earlier said I was going to forget those. Thank you, Eli. That's fine.
Just go around. Just go around the kid.
There. I didn't want to hit your, didn't want to hit the TT, so I just
Yeah. No,
stopped short. Oh, yeah, camp chair. That was in there. My little hideaway spots are usually in here on my other cars. It's already unlocked. Yeah. Goes up there. Yeah, looks like enough room. It's not always a lot of space. Ooh, gentle, gentle. Ooh, I don't know, maybe this one is different. No, it's fine. It's just fine. Lock was wrong. Anyway. That's where I keep my oil. The secret's out. Alright, well. There you go. Oil change. You gonna change the oil on your mower? Excellent.